buddy? I don't even know what time it is. What time is it? It is 8:43. Awesome. So I was trying to go to bed early last night, but it just didn't happen. Graham came home and then we just started hanging out and everything. But for me getting out of bed this morning, you guys, my legs are like feeling it. I mean, for me speed walking yesterday for like almost 2 hours total, my legs are feeling it. So that's a good thing. So it looks like it's gonna be kind of a crappy day outside, but I think it's gonna be warm, which is fine. We're still gonna go to, we're gonna go for a walk earlier today, and then when Graham gets home later tonight, because he went to bed he went to work early, we're gonna go for another walk. I need to go to the library today. I'm gonna get some pizza for lunch because I had a coupon that I wanted to use before it expired. So we're just gonna have a nice, successful day today. I did power clean a lot last night. Like, I did really clean a lot, so I feel happy about that. I'm gonna try to clear off the kitchen table today. I really need to finish Ben's shirt. Like, you guys, it's so cool. What happened to it? Oh, crap. I have the top. Oh, it fell down. But, like, Benjamin wants a shirt with Baymax, and so he wants something like that. So I'm gonna do that. It's my first time layering vinyl, so I'm pretty excited. A lot of you guys have been messaging me about making them a cup and everything. If you guys want, you can send me an email, you can send me a Facebook message on either Deals by DesignerJen or my other name. My other name, I go on there every once in a while. You can send me an Instagram message, however you guys want. I haven't figured out pricing yet. I think I'm going to start making a list and figure everything out, and then I probably should start like a little Facebook page just so I have all like the information on there. So I'm going to work on that. So if I don't respond, I'll respond to you guys, but I'm still like checking things out. I am also going to start figuring out glitter vinyl and holographic, like shiny vinyl. A lot of you guys like that kind of stuff, so I'm going to work on that. Figuring out prices and companies to use because I want to make another big order. I have to spend like 50 bucks to get free shipping, so I'm gonna start doing my research with that today. Also, I bought some boxes last night on Amazon to have the cups ship, but it's not supposed to be here till like June, so which is pretty much right around the corner. So if I do make you guys a tumbler, I'm just gonna wait to ship them out when I get those boxes, just because it's so much easier with those because they're the exact size as what I need. Otherwise I gotta search the house and try to find a box, and I just don't want to get them damaged. So there is that. A lot of you guys are really enjoying that. A lot of you guys enjoyed the review cup thing. I kind of want to go back to Starbucks to get more confetti cups and a couple more of those color changing cups, just because I want to have them, because they're only going to be out like that one time. I think the confetti cups might be out for a while, but the other one's not. So I was thinking of calling Starbucks. I can't call Target and ask them, so I'm going to try Starbucks, and then if they don't have them, then I might just go for a drive while we're out and about today. So we're eating breakfast. I got my Trix drink, even though it's probably not the greatest, but I'd rather drink this than, you know, like soda or something. And then I got Cocoa Pebbles. So yes, we are still doing the weight loss journey. Like I said, we're not like hardcore pushing it. We're just kind of, you know, for me, I'm just need to stop binge eating, and I want to get out more. That's why I'm really into walking lately. So Charlotte wants more blueberries, and I will catch you guys, back in a bit. It is 11:10. I put Charlotte to bed maybe about 20 minutes ago. I called a couple Starbucks in my area, and they said that they all sold out, which is totally fine. I mean, when I get something in my head, I lose sleep over it, but I was going to comment on Starbucks website, and they said that they're going to be stocking those all throughout the summer. So right now, I've seen people selling these little confetti cups for $20, you guys. It's $3 is what they are. And right now I'm trying to figure out pricing on if you guys want to design, like how much it is. I'm not going to be charging like what you see people charge on Etsy. Like, I think sometimes people want like 15-20 bucks for that stuff. So I'm trying to figure that out. But I just finished Benjamin's shirt. Come here, Benny. Come here. Come here, stay right here. I want to show you guys Benjamin's shirt that I made him. Show him your shirt.
I'm just gonna go. I was just going to a candy hunt to go on my trampoline of fun candy.
But yeah, I did this. This is my first time.
I'm going to get fun candy.
That's my first time layering. It was a little difficult to do. I thought it was gonna be easier, but I figured out a better.
Mom got me these.
I found out a better way to center my shirt. So
Mom, look at the candy. Got this.
yeah. So I figured out how to center my shirt. So I feel so much better on how to figure that out, you guys. Like I'm just like, what? But I figured it out. I got that. I am super excited. What the heck is behind me? I'm so excited that I got that figured out. I'm just relaxing right now. I don't know. It was raining outside earlier. I think it's a little chilly because I was wearing a...
I really want my bike light.
I know, but your sister's sleeping. It was a little chilly, and so I put a sweater on. Did you find the remote? Oh, marker. So yeah, but I am pretty excited. I'm supposed to get my vinyl that I ordered either today or tomorrow. That's cool. I got this like little container that I'm putting vinyl in. But I want to get more holographic vinyl and more glitter vinyl because a lot of you guys want stuff like that. So I've been trying to figure out the best place to buy it. So yeah. So just let me know if you guys want anything. I'm going to start making more signs, but a lot of you guys like the cups. The cups are kind of cool. Just one. And that's it. Then we got to have lunch. But yeah, so... Charlotte woke up last night, but I don't know what time she woke up at. I just don't remember. I think it was light outside, and then I just kind of fell right back asleep because I was tired. But Graham gets done with work at 4:30 today. I ordered my movies from the library. I'm just waiting for them to tell me that they're ready to go pick up, because then we're just going to go get them, because that's how awesome we are. I don't need anything. Thanks, babe. But we're just watching the Descendants movie on Disney+. We don't really watch a lot. I mean, we have movies on all the time, but we don't sit there and just stare at them all the time. Like, we just had it for background noise. Yeah, but that's it, honey. But other than that, I don't know what else we're going to do. We're definitely going to go for a family walk when Graham gets here, but I think I'm going to clean off my kitchen table and empty the dishwasher and get something else to eat. Because yesterday, I forgot to eat half the time. I had a bowl of cereal at like 6 o'clock in the morning, and then I... didn't have like some soup until like 4, and then I had a pretzel, and that is it. That's all I ate yesterday because I keep forgetting, which is, I'm not starving myself, but it's kind of a good thing because I'm not sitting there just chowing down on things.
I only ate junk food today.
No. He thinks everything's junk food.
Hey,
so,
you guys,
it's currently 1:27. I had to go pick up our pizza at 1 o'clock. I ordered our movies from the library like hours ago, and usually they're pretty fast on, you know, saying, oh, they're ready. Well, I'm like, okay, they're not ready yet. They're not ready. They're not ready. We dropped the movies off that we already had at the movie or at the library. But I'm like, come on, I bet you right when I get all relaxed, they're not gonna be ready anymore. But we are getting Pizza Hut because I had a coupon for free pizza and I wanted to take advantage of it. But you guys know what? Guess what came in today? I thought it was coming tomorrow. My vinyl. So I'm pretty excited to see what it is. I'm debating if I should do like an unboxing, or I might just do a video on here. Or I'll just show you guys what I got after I open it. It's my first time opening from this company, so I'm pretty excited. But I'm gonna enjoy myself and some pizza, and we're gonna finish watching The Descendants. Hey, I'll catch you guys in a bit. So the time is,
hi guys,
5:26. Graham just
5:27.
5:26.
27.
Graham just got picked up food at a local place. We always get like one meal and then we just split it. So we got that. Benjamin just really wants to go bike riding, so we're gonna go right now. I was working on a cup for my friend. It's gonna take a long time to make this, but it'll be super fun when it turns out. So that's what's going on. I'm not bringing my camera with me because I just don't want to bring it. But we're gonna go for a nice long family walk. So we're gonna be leaving in about a couple minutes, and then we'll see how long it takes to get back. It is 6:48. We just got home from over an hour of a walk, and my legs are on fire. But yeah, and as we were walking, I said, Graham, first person to find a 4-leaf clover will get to pick the movie of choice. He found it really quickly, but we had to sit there and look for it. Otherwise, half the time I was walking, I'd just see it while we're walking at a good steady pace. So we each found 2 of them. So what I'm gonna do is I have this book, and we're actually gonna start saving all of the 4-leaf clovers we find this summer. I think it's gonna be kind of cool. So I'm just making them in a little book to press them. If you guys want to see, just pressing them, and then I wrote the dates on here. I've used to save them, and then I'm like, why am I saving these? But we're gonna start saving them now, so I'm gonna continue putting them in the book. So it is currently 8:34. I'm getting the kids ready for bed. My feet hurt really badly from walking today. Graham says he's in so much pain he went to bed. So that's what, yeah. But I am working on my friend's project. This is gonna take a long time. So I'm working on that. I've already been working on it for like an hour, but it's very detailed, and I didn't realize this was gonna take this much work. So that's what I am working on right now. I'll probably cut it in a couple of days, but I just want to sit down. I'm gonna get the kids ready for bed, and then I'm just gonna sit on the couch and watch something that I want to watch. I just need to relax. So that's what I'm gonna do for the rest of the night. But I hope you guys have a nice day. I think I showed you Ben's shirt. Yeah, I did. But tomorrow it was supposed to be like 81 degrees, and it's supposed to be like a 60% chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. So we will see what tomorrow brings us. I think we're just might go for a little walk in the morning, then just stay home, work on cleaning up the house. That's what I really want to do tomorrow. So Charlotte needs me, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.